Good everyone, welcome to this week's video. The moment we have all been waiting for, or at least I've been waiting for, is finally here. Experience the unboxing and first look at the Apple's brand new iPhone 16e. Let's see what's inside the box and get a first glimpse at its design and features. Let's take a look. Apple's signature minimalist packaging remains, and this one has the iPhone 16e's image on the front. The pull tab design makes unboxing effortless. There are just two pull tabs, one at the top and another at the bottom, which is pretty standard for any iPhone box these days. And now it's time to lift the lid. And as soon as I lift the lid, there it is. We have the sleek iPhone 16e in beautiful white color with matte finish. It looks absolutely gorgeous right out of the box. On one side you'll find the volume buttons and the action button, while on the other side there's the power button. Plus it features a USB-C port for faster charging. Keeping things simple, the box comes with the iPhone 16e, the USB-C cable, and also the SIM ejector pin for some countries. This model is a direct successor to the iPhone SE, which has been discontinued, making the iPhone 16e the newest member of the Apple family. Powering this beauty is the A18 chip, delivering fast and seamless performance for all your needs. But here's the kicker. The iPhone 16e introduces a brand new C1 chip, Apple's first ever cellular modem, which ensures faster and more reliable 5G connectivity. It's the only iPhone supporting this chip, making it truly unique. The iPhone 16e makes advanced Apple Intelligence accessible to more users, offering sophisticated features at a more affordable price. Now anyone can enjoy cutting-edge technology without spending a lot of money. Talking about the camera, it has got the 48 megapixel Fusion camera that combines the capability of two cameras in one for sharper image quality and delivering stunning images. The iPhone 16e comes in two color options, the white and the black. The storage capacity with this iPhone starts at 128GB and goes up to 512GB, giving you plenty of space to store everything you need. The action button on iPhone 16e is super versatile. It lets you do a bunch of things with just a tap. You can quickly switch to silent mode or change your focus mode, launch the camera, turn on the flashlight, or even set up a shortcut to open your favorite app like the X platform. This is just the beginning. The iPhone 16e is ready to make the waves. Alright, so this was a brief overview about the launch day, unboxing, and the first look at the iPhone 16e. Starting today, 28th of February 2025, iPhone 16e is officially available worldwide. A detailed review is on its way. I'll be diving deep into iPhone 16e's features, performance, and everything that makes it exciting. Stay tuned for my honest review coming soon. Let me know your thoughts about this unboxing video in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next one.